Made of plastic. Easy to install with no tools needed. Innovative twist-tight technology allows for secure installation with no drilling, no tools and no damage to your walls. Shower rod adjusts to fit in your space with no cutting needed. Adjustable rod fits in spaces from 36 to 60 inches, fits in most standard tubs and showers. Attractive and rust-resistant. Steel construction with a white finish that resists rust. Holds strong. Use with any standard shower curtains and liners, holds strong in your shower. Makes it easy to install your favorite shower curtain or liner. Shower rod is made to be used with any standard shower rings or hooks for easy installation of a shower curtain or liner. Featuring the innovative twist-tight mechanism, the Zena Home Tension shower curtain rod installs securely and easily with no tools. This shower curtain rod is easy to adjust, with no cutting needed, to fit any shower space from 36 to 60 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect and easy. I used it to hang up this white curtain inside of my closet. It's amazing quality and hasn't fallen since I got it. I was trying to find a cheaper rod that would also be the correct width of my closet, and this is perfect. I definitely recommend.